Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make dashi broth from powder. First, understand that dashi is a fundamental Japanese stock, offering a savory umami depth to countless dishes. Using powder makes it incredibly simple and fast to prepare, perfect for busy cooks. You can achieve authentic flavor in just minutes, transforming your home cooking with minimal effort. This method is ideal for anyone wanting to explore Japanese flavors without extensive preparation. To begin, gather your simple ingredients and tools. You'll need your chosen dashi powder, which comes in various types like bonito or kombu. Next, have some fresh water on hand. About 2 cups is a good starting point. You'll also need a saucepan, preferably one with a heavy bottom, and a whisk or spoon for stirring. That's all it takes to get started on your flavorful dashi journey. Now, let's make the dashi. Pour 2 cups of water into your saucepan. Then, add 1 level teaspoon of dashi powder directly into the cold water. Using a whisk, stir the mixture continuously for about 30 seconds until the powder is completely dissolved. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring it to a gentle simmer, but do not boil vigorously. Once it reaches a simmer, your dashi is ready. Your delicious dashi broth is now complete and ready to elevate your cooking. You can use it immediately as a base for classic miso soup, a flavorful broth for udon or ramen noodles, or even in various dipping sauces. If you have any leftover, simply store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy the authentic, savory umami flavor it brings to your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.